that it is not treated, but it doesn't mean you cannot treat it. It means that it's natural. House was built, and you have to look at this one here, okay? You have to think that in the 16th century, all the houses were built exactly the same. They started building with stones, granite stones, because, as I told have you seen that? Had you realized before when you were walking around? It is called entramado. Entramado. It's like entramado de madera. They are like in other villages, they even have 4 floors. Sometimes they have 4 floors, but it's not the normal. They used to have 2 or 3 floors. And now, well, they get really hot.
Resistente.
What?
Ah, no, I'm sorry.
Okay. No, then say something. Because of the way of building, like every house is built the way in a way that it can be like this, even if it's really, really hot, you can be here, and it's got the air blowing, and it's kind of fresh, right? Everything was made.
Un aplauso para Ana because she's a very, very professional.
We thought it was on the mountain.
Yes.
We knew there was the termite red, so we can go there. You can sit there.
Se va a casar ahora que es abogado.
En Alicante.
Tiene un tío que es más conocido como el Santo de Alicante.
Ah, sí.
¿Cuál es el cura? Se llama...
Tommy Jerry.
Como Tony Jerry.
Sí,
O sea,
sí,
un
sí.
ratoncito.
Sí.
Y el ratoncito Pérez en España es el ratoncito de los dientes.
Ah, ok,
El que
ok.
se lleva los dientes de los niños.
Ok, ok. Venga, venga. Tienes, sí, sí, sí.
¿Dónde está el ratoncito?
Ratoncito Pérez, dale.
The person who owns it is still alive. He's there. He shows you the museum. Then he's a painter. So what you have inside is his work. Very important. The wood I didn't mention, but the wood used to build the houses is mainly from chestnuts because it's a good wood. And very important, you have to cut it at a particular time of the year because in that way the wood lasts more time.